Beep, 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 beep. All right. Everybody good? Yeah. All right, let's do it. This is techie up here. This is a bit of a shoot. Now I'm stopping. Plumber down! Plumber down! That was the hardest part.
That rock stopped me.
Well, because the tree's down.
Oh, yeah.
That's not the line. It is today.
Oh, no.
Got it.
Yeah, that's like hitting a speed bump.
Got it. Yep. There we go. Ready to finish it up? Let's do it. Oh, I hit that wrong. I had the bars right into my gut. Whoa, the leaves are slick. I totally almost washed out on that one, James. Right there again. I just did it again. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Woo! Yeah! Oh. Oh. That's hard, right? That's all I can do. It's fun.
Is that your phone? No, I just said it's sick, bro.
You all right? Whoa. Shit. What happened?
I overshot it by like 15 feet.
Did you shoot it all over to here?
I think you'll probably be able to see where I landed back there.
Dude.
Dude, I fucking I hit that rock, but I skimmed it. I'm okay.
You all right?
But that was a fucking...
How many cameras do I have up?
Holy shit.
All right.
Look at my helmet. Oh my god.
Oh, man. Oh, my God. Your helmet's...
I went arm, face. I landed so hard, dude. Holy shit. I landed right here, I think.
Well, not for nothing, but while you were lying in there almost bleeding to death, did you see how far I landed? I think I did pretty good, right?
Yeah, you know, I was waiting for you to throw the brakes on.
Yeah.
And fuck me.
But I didn't.
Pretty close. No, you hit that hard.
I hit it hard.
All I know is I had a lot of time to think about how bad this was going to be.
I watched you launch. Dude, I watched you launch from back there, and I'm like...
I can't believe I'm okay.
I can't, I'm just happy you are. Nice. Yeah, I know, right? All right, so we are just about done with the 10,000 subscriber ride here at Mountain Creek. We got Rob over here. Right, you in there, Rob? There you go. We got Flying Chef.
Salute.
Yeah, Chef just took a big jump off a crap chute and just landed, like almost took a crap. He landed so high. That was sick. Luckily, he's okay.
Took a crap off crap chute.
Yeah, took a crap off crap chute. We got the night ride coming up now, but look, we got Tucker here.
What's up?
Hey. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for the last couple rides over here. We're gonna go down the mountain for the final night ride on Mountain Creek's closing day. All right, keep the party on the pedals. We'll see you in the dark. Bye.
Yeah.